How have remote control trucks and cars changed over the years? By Sam. Older style cars. These cars were made in the 1900s. The new style of remote control cars. These cars were made in the 2000s. Older equipment. Most cars were battery powered and were plastic. Some of them had a bad body so they would break easily. Some did not go as fast as the modern day remote control cars. New equipment. New cars have gotten new engines like gas engines. They have a stronger, more durable body that protects the inside. Some have a stronger wheels like rubber instead of plastic. Sources: www.google.com and www.google Images.